Bluey woke up early, sun spilling warm across her room. She bounced out of bed, tail wagging, shouting, "Mama! Mama!" Chilli appeared with a gentle smile, arms open wide. Could mornings feel this magical? Bingo followed, giggling, "Let's play together." Bluey grabbed Mama's paw, "Yes. Let's do something fun." Bandit peeked in, pretending stern, "Careful, everyone." Bluey twirled, bouncing, excitement glowing in her eyes. Could a simple morning turn into adventure? Chilli suggested a craft project, pulling out colored paper and glue. Bluey's ears perked, tail wagging, "I'll make the biggest, brightest star." Bingo joined, trying to copy her. Muffin and Socks peeked in, tails wagging, eyes sparkling. Could creativity feel this exciting? Bluey and Mama glued, cut, and painted, laughing loud as glitter flew everywhere. "Watch out, glitter attack!" Bluey shouted, giggling. Chilli laughed soft, "You kids are unstoppable." Bandit shook his head, smiling. Could messiness feel this joyful? After crafting, Mama suggested a storytime picnic in the yard. Bluey ran ahead, laying the blanket, "Hurry, Bingo! Everyone sit!" Muffin and Socks joined, tails wagging. Bluey held her favorite toy, ready to hear the tale. Could simple stories feel like magic? Chilli began, her voice soft and warm. "Once upon a time," Bluey listened wide-eyed, interrupting occasionally with giggles, "Oh. And then what happened?" Bingo laughed, "I want to know too." The friends and family soaked in every word, feeling every twist, turn, and surprise. Could storytelling be this thrilling? As the sun dipped low, Bluey hugged Mama tight, whispering, "Thank you, Mama. Today was perfect." Chilli smiled, ruffling her fur, "And you made it magical." Tail wagging, ears flopping, Bluey turned to the camera. If you loved our adventure, hit like, tap subscribe, and join us for more fun, laughter, and special moments with Mama. The yard glowed golden, laughter echoing, hearts full. Could one day with Mama feel endless and unforgettable?